Driving Dreams: How to Land Your Dream Job as a TTC Bus Driver. As a TTC bus driver, total pay range $59,000 to $79,000 Canadian dollars per year. The estimated total pay for a bus driver at TTC, Toronto Transit Commission, is $63,949 Canadian dollars per year. Welcome to our job consultant's office. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to become a TTC bus driver in Toronto. As a bus driver, you'll play a vital role in the city's public transportation system, helping thousands of people reach their destinations safely and on time. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and requirements. The first step is to research the requirements. Visit the official TTC website to learn about the qualifications and prerequisites for becoming a bus driver. Generally, you'll need a high school diploma or equivalent, a valid Class B or C driver's license with Z endorsement, and a clean driving record. Additionally, you must be at least 21 years old and legally allowed to work in Canada. Step 2. Education and training. Once you meet the basic requirements, consider enrolling in a bus driving school. Although it's not mandatory, professional training will help you gain the necessary skills and confidence to handle a large vehicle like a bus. Look for reputable driving schools that offer bus driver training programs. Step 3. Application process. Now it's time to apply. Go to the TTC website or the City of Toronto's job portal to find current bus driver openings. Carefully fill out the online application form, ensuring you highlight your relevant experience and qualifications. Gather all necessary documents, such as your resume, driving record, and identification. Step 4. Preparing for the interview. Congratulations if you've been called for an interview. To prepare, research common interview questions and practice your responses. Highlight your communication and problem-solving skills, as they are essential for a bus driver. Dress professionally and arrive at the interview location on time. Step 5. The interview. During the interview, be confident, maintain eye contact, and answer questions honestly. Showcase your commitment to providing excellent customer service and prioritizing passenger safety. Don't forget to ask questions about the job or the company to demonstrate your interest. Step 6. Driving test. If you pass the interview, the next step is the driving test. This test will evaluate your driving skills, ability to handle the bus, and adherence to traffic laws. Practice driving a bus beforehand to build your confidence. Step 7. Medical examination. Before being hired as a TTC bus driver, you'll need to undergo a medical examination. This is to ensure that you are physically fit to perform the duties of a bus driver safely. Congratulations! Once you've passed all the assessments, you'll receive a job offer. Welcome to the TTC family. You'll undergo training to familiarize yourself with the routes, safety protocols, and customer service expectations. Becoming a TTC bus driver in Toronto is a rewarding career opportunity that allows you to serve the community while exploring the city's vibrant neighborhoods. Remember, it's essential to stay dedicated, continuously improve your driving skills, and prioritize the safety and comfort of your passengers. Good luck on your journey to becoming a TTC bus driver. Happy driving!